Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring ISEE Hair. Big thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So for those of you that know, ISEE Hair has some of the best curly textures in the game. So today I have their Kinky curly texture. This is in their seamless half wig construction. The inside construction of this wig, you have one large comb in the very front and in the nape area. You have two medium-sized combs on the side along with a drawstring in the nape area. On top of the drawstring, you have two adjustable straps and you have their wear and go adjustable band inside. Now we're going to get into these curls. So as you can see, I have this in 18 inches. This is 180 density, very full. This hair is thick. So I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb these curls out because of course I want to wet this down and add a little product so you can see the true texture of these curls aside from the way it comes in your package. So after I comb the curls out, I am going to add some water. I use a continuous spray bottle and I sprayed the hair down. I tried to drench it as much as I could, and then I'm going to go in with a Denman brush. So after I use the Denman brush on the hair with just water, I'm going to go in with some hair products. These are curly hair products from ISEE. Everything used in this video will be linked in the video or linked in the description box. So please be sure to check the description box for all details. So I'm going to use this product and I'm going to spray it in the hair, and then I'm going to go in with the Denman brush again, brush these curls out. And the way these ringlets start to form this hair, listen, I'm not a half wig girl, but this one. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I start on one side and then I'm going to move over to the other side. Once I'm satisfied with the way the curls look, we're going to jump into how I blend my leave out. As you can see, I have a section of my hair left out in the front. Depending on how full your hair is, you can leave less, you can leave more. It's all a matter of preference and what works for you. You can also blend your leave out with this wig using a really small curling iron or wand, but I have to refrain from heat because the front of my hair and my leave out is so broken off, so damaged, heat damage, broken off. So I thought it was better to use the curly hair products than to keep putting heat on my leave out. So once that's all done, I'm going to use the diffuser, and the diffuser is just going to help dry these curls while helping them stay uniform. Now, being that this is a half wig and there's no defined part, you can wear this however you want. You can pull some of the hair forward so it gives more like a fro look. You can flip it to the left, flip it to the right. You can push everything back. You can even wear this with a headband. You can rock this half up, half down. Considering that the front of your hair is out, these styles are endless, and it's always going to give a natural look because there's no lace. So once again, this is the 18-inch kinky curly half wig from ISEE Hair. All details and links will be down in the description box. For this particular length and density, you can purchase this for $145. When I tell you this is a steal, it is a steal because the curl texture is unmatched, and this is something you can wear throughout the whole summer. It might even look better in the fall because no humidity, but either way, I feel like this is a perfect wear and go, even everyday wig. This is the perfect flip over sew-in alternative. So I will have all details down below, all products down below. Big thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check that link out. And if you're not interested in half wigs, they have this same texture in wigs, closure wigs, lace front wigs, and V-part wigs. But when I tell you ISEE Hair has some of the best curly hair, you don't want to take my word for it. Do your research. Just go to the search bar, type in ISEE curly hair, and you'll see videos dating years back. I'm talking years. They had the curls on lock. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.